Good evening, Philippines. Mike Padua here, and this is our tropical weather analysis for Monday through Wednesday, December 28 to 30, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set. Beginning today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday, we have a couple of weather systems intertwined with affecting the Philippine Islands. First, we are going to discuss the Shallow LPA just to the west of Palawan, moving towards the west-southwest. And its trough continues to affect the Calayan Island group, Palawan, Visayas, Mindanao, as well as MiMaRoPa, Central Luzon, including Metro Manila. So expect some mostly cloudy skies with passing isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. While here across the northern parts of Luzon, particularly the northeastern section, we have the northeast monsoon, together with the tail end of a frontal system, or tail end of a stationary front. It is also known as a shear line, bringing some thunderstorms over the northern part of the Philippine Sea. So expect some breezy conditions with little lower temperatures across northern Luzon and winds of up to 60 kph over the Batanes and Babuyan Cubab Islands. So this is a typical weather system during this time of the year. And if you're wondering why we have too much rainfall, this is because of the ongoing moderate to strong La Nina, which is at its peak right now, and it is expected to weaken as we move towards January until May of 2021. So expect this kind of weather system with days of more rainfall compared to days of dry conditions. So don't be surprised if we experience some rainfall during times of dry conditions, probably by March to May. So expect this kind of weather conditions. And also we are not going to rule out any tropical cyclone formation, because during La Nina there will be low pressure areas and tropical cyclones forming between January to May of 2021. Right now we have two shallow low pressure areas, but these two will not expected to intensify into a tropical cyclone. So maybe just an active LPA, and that's it, and it will start to weaken. So far, that's the latest from our graph set. As we look at our fast animation, you can clearly see here the development of the shallow LPA into a moderate LPA as it moves away from Palawan, and it's now bringing some heavy rainfall across the Calayan Island group and other areas of the Spratly Islands. And it is expected to move out of the Philippine area of responsibility within the next 24 hours. Meanwhile, some weakening of the shallow LPA here, the other one to the south of Palau. It is expected to weaken as it moves closer to Mindanao. And we have here the shear line, or the tail end of a frontal system, together with the northeast monsoon. As you can clearly see here from the latest zoom in satellite animation from windy.com premium, you can clearly see most parts of the country is covered with cloudiness brought about by these multiple systems. So far, the thunderstorm activity is just here over the south of Mindanao, and also one here over the Calayan Island group because of the shallow LPA and the tail end of a frontal system affecting the northeastern portions of Luzon, that is the eastern portion of Cagayan Valley. Now let's take a look at our 3-day to 5-day rain, wind, and pressure forecast from ECMWF, courtesy of windy.com. So by tomorrow 8 a.m. here comes now the LPA moving over Calayan Island group, while good weather will be expected in the morning in most parts of the country except for the Amihan Island group and Mindoro area and southern Quezon. There could be some showers lingering by. And in the afternoon of Tuesday or tomorrow afternoon, expect some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms all throughout the country due to the existing La Nina, and also affecting more over Mindanao. And when we move towards Wednesday morning, around 8 to 9 a.m., here comes now the LPA to the southern portions of the South China Sea, and we have another surge of the northeast monsoon digging down across the Luzon area, and some showers expected Wednesday morning as well as into the afternoon. There will be lots of rainfall all throughout the country, particularly becoming more intense over Cagayan Valley and also over the Zamboanga Peninsula and central southern Mindanao. And if we switch the windy.com tool using the wind speed, you can clearly see here the approach of the surge of another northeast monsoon or blast of northeast monsoon. And if we look it into Thursday, there you go, it will reach the Bicol region in the evening of 31 or December 31 or New Year's Eve. So expect some windy conditions across Luzon, but including Bicol region and northern Visayas, as well as on January 1st. So we could expect some rains, on and off rains, between December 30, December 31, and January 1. So watch out for that. Strong winds will be expected from 30 to 60 kph across Luzon, including the Bicol region, beginning Thursday, December 31 to January 1st. Okay, so far that's the latest for the next 3 to 5 days until New Year's Day. And we will be returning again on Wednesday to give you more update on the weather situation around the Philippine Islands. But take note, we don't have any tropical cyclone formation. We don't have any bagyo that will form within the next 3 days across the Philippine area of responsibility. So far, it's only the northeast monsoon and the tail end of a frontal system or shear line, which we will be expecting for the next few days. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be hashtag weatherwiser, and thank you for watching our YouTube channel.